Hey guys! Now y'all know how much I love thrifting, right? I want to be able to wear all these pieces, but sometimes I overlook things in the thrift store because it can be so overwhelming, like that cami and these pants that have holes in them. Look at that. And this bra from my personal collection with the underwire, yeah. I thrift these men's pants and they're so cute, but the waist is a little too big and then the hem is a little too short down by the ankles. And then this shirt. It's supposed to be a crop top. That's not a crop top. So we're going to go ahead and crop it, and it already looks so much better. So what I did with those, I put them all in a box and sent them on over to Tadmore Tailoring, where it took maybe a couple of days to figure out measurements and everything, and then I sent it on over. Not only were they so nice, but they made the process so easy. And here's my box. I got it about maybe a week later. It did not take as long as I thought it was going to at all. Now, I knew these pants were going to be a bit of a project, but they did such an amazing job. The color is the exact same. When they're on, you can't even tell that they had gone to the tailors and got fixed. They're so pretty. I'm so excited to wear these now. And now my bra. This is my absolute favorite bra, and I'm so happy that it's finally fixed and it doesn't stab me. And now my cami. This also is my favorite cami, and I did my awful hack job and they fixed it for me. So look at how good these look together. Honestly, this is kind of a serve. I can throw like a cozy sweater on top of it. It'd be a whole fit. And now our not crop top. And it is now finally a crop top. I'm so happy that I finally get to wear this out and it actually looks flattering and decent on. And finally, the pants. The waist is absolutely perfect. And on the back, you can barely even see where they put in the darts to take in the waist. You can't even tell that they were tailored at all. And now let me show you the bottom of the pants. We took out that hem, so now it gave me an extra inch to half of an inch of clearance, and it is literally perfect. I am so incredibly happy with how my pieces turned out, especially some of them because they are my favorite pieces that I haven't been able to wear in a while. Not only do we get to avoid fast fashion and textile waste, but I do have a discount code for all you thrifty girlies out there. It is in my link tree in my bio. Happy thrifting, y'all.